How's it going, guys? Dragons View here. Now, I know I don't post on my YouTube very much, but today we're going to do an unboxing of a tool that I feel is going to make me be able to post more and get more content, especially being an automotive photographer and videographer. And that is because today we're unboxing Insta360's Ace Pro 2. Now, I've seen videos of this camera all over the internet. I feel like this is going to be great for all those action shots and driving POVs. So without further ado, let's get to it. So we got box there. Hello. I might have opened it upside down, but check it out. Got a lot of stuff here to unpack. First of all, we got battery. Now, I saw in a video that this battery is actually bigger than the previous generation. Quick rundown. It records 8K resolution and 4K up to 120 frames per second. Check that out. We got a fast charge hub. We got ourselves a screen protector. Next, we have a suction cup mount. Like I said, this is literally an action camera, and you can already see kind of some ideas for the angles you could get with this. So super clutch. I'm literally going to be trying out all of these angles. We got GPS preview remote. I'm curious as to how this works. I'm guessing I can put the camera somewhere, and instead of connecting my phone, I can probably use this. I don't know. We're going to have to try that one out for sure. 2-in-1 mini tripod. This I'm always going to have on me because honestly, my plan with this camera is to be my daily vlogging camera. And this is going to be a perfect way to do that. Still got some smaller packages, memory cards. As a content creator, you're always going to need these. 128 gig. All right, well, the start of the show, before we get to the last two boxes, of course, the camera itself, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. Check that out. This, right away, one of my favorite features. It has the screen that you can flip upwards. Like I said, for vlogging, that's going to be so handy. Another thing too, co-engineered with Leica. This has a Leica glass. If you don't know about Leicas, they're very known in the camera industry for their quality, and the fact that they partnered with Insta360 is awesome. 8K AI powered camera. So like I said, I see a lot of videos of people using this, especially at night, because thanks to the AI chip, it's able to reduce noise like crazy. So any night videos come out super crispy. And of course, I'm going to test that out. I'm going to do some driving in my car. One of the last things, invisible action selfie stick. I actually have two of these already, but it does not hurt to have more, of course. That way I can have multiple setups without needing to take from another. And, oh, whoa, there's one more small one. Check that out. Mic adapt. I don't know. Oh, I think there's actually to plug in the current mics that I use. So this is definitely a clutch. Although I hear the camera itself has a really good mic. Thanks to, I'll show you right now. And last but not least, like I said, as an automotive influencer or content creator rather, the triple suction cup car mount. You literally cannot go wrong with this. Like I said, this is to use more with the Insta360 to mount on your car to get those driving GTA third person point of view shots. But we're going to try it out with this. Well, like I said, we're going to try out every single configuration that we can shoot with this, and check that out. That is awesome. Please don't hate on the knife. It's the quickest thing I had near me. I am in my garage, and I'm actually freezing, by the way. It's like 20 degrees outside, and my garage is not insulated, but I was too excited not to share this with you guys. Check that out. Let's see if we have a nice and smooth. Okay, maybe not that smooth because I'm really cold. Here we go. Oh, sorry. Actually gonna bring you guys a little closer, but here it is. So what I was saying earlier is for automotive purposes, this is gonna be very handy because the microphone actually has like a muffler, I guess. So it reduces wind noises, which if you're an automotive content creator, you know exactly what I'm talking about. And here you have your screen. So we have a 2.5 inch flip touchscreen. Oh man, my hands are really cold. Okay, so we gotta remove this sticker over here. And now Nope, still. Oh, okay. So you have to press the buttons on each side. Oh, that's really cool, actually. That way, if you don't want it to be flipping in and out, it actually has a locking mechanism. And to unlock, press both, and voila. Like I said, this is gonna be so perfect for vlogging. You could see yourself while recording. And it also has this little screen in the front, so you can see the status of the camera and stuff too. Here's how this looks over here. Voila. Let's see, where do we insert the battery? Probably over here. There we go. Let's see, we have some ports here, USB-C, and the micro SD card slot right here. There it is. So that's where you charge it. Insert the memory card, which I will do right now. Oh, nice. It has this recording light too. And there you go. Like I said, you have a front screen kind of to see where the camera's at, with storage, battery, and what mode you're in. So you can actually see if you put the right settings and you're not actually accidentally taking a picture instead of a video. I know that's happened to me. Oh, and this is cool. You can, instead of using it like this, kind of use it vertically. Quick setup. You gotta get the Insta360 app to set it up, so let me do that real quick and set that up. Here's some other things we get in the box. So here we have the charger, and what is this? Kind of like a lens cover. Here we go. Yeah, so it's like a rubber lens cover. And then we have this mounted to any accessories you may have. Oh, it's magnetic too. Oh, that's so sick. Voila. Oh, that's perfect. So again, just like the screen, it has a locking mechanism on the side to unlock, and then it is magnetic, as you can see. So when you come place it, locks right in. And then we have, I'm not sure what this is. Well, it's a mic cover. I guess there's two different modes of, using the mic. But yeah, guys, there you have it. I'm gonna put some footage here on the screen because I'm definitely gonna be using this right away. I'm just gonna put the screen protector. And yeah, check out this footage that I get with the Insta360 Ace Pro camera. All right, so I finally set it up. It's actually the day after. But like I said, we're gonna test this thing out with shooting some car content, specifically driving my C6 Corvette. I just put a battery in it because it wasn't, like I said, it's really cold and my car had not been starting. So everything you see starting now is shot on the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 with the native microphone. I do have the adapter to plug in my Rode mics, but I want to test it out before, because if I don't need to use Rode mics, then I'd rather not, Alright, so now I'm getting gas. My car is actually empty. I haven't really driven it much. And it's about to be sunset, so good way to test a low light situation. Here we are at a gas station. Pretty lit. There's still light out, so we'll kind of see as time goes by how well it does. And check it out. Here's the car. I'm telling you, having this like flip screen makes this so easy to vlog. And car looking good right here. Also, I love how the footage is stable no matter how shaky I am, because it is cold. Yeah, this thing needs a wash. But yeah, I'm gonna test out a bunch of different, using the suction cup mount, a bunch of different POVs. I definitely want a driving POV because that's something I have never really gotten footage of, and that'd be sick. And then yeah, let's get to it. Check out the footage. My car is tinted, so it should be darker in here than outside. And I mean, just given by the little screen here, I mean, it still looks good. Camera also has a lot of modes as for how wide you want the picture to look. And I really like that because there's a mode where it takes off the distortion, and then there's another one with a super wide view, so I can get shots just like this perfectly. You can still see the road, you can still see my steering wheel, quick downshift here. This is literally gonna be my daily vlogging camera. So if you ever want to see how well the footage looks on the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, literally just look at my YouTube. Pretty much everything is gonna be recorded with this from now on. It's just so versatile, so small, and I can put it anywhere with the suction cup mount. I can't stress this enough. Getting this other angle, super easy. The suction cup is just a little tab. You flip that off, put it somewhere else, flip the screen if you have to, and you're good to go. Literally, it makes it so easy for this. I can't stress that enough. And that's gonna wrap up this unboxing haul of Insta360 and its new Insta360 Ace Pro 2. Huge shout out to Insta360 for sending me all these things out. I'm gonna be testing them all out, so stay tuned for the next video where I give a full review having used this and all the accessories a little more, so I can give you guys better explanations on what everything does and how the footage would actually look once I try in different lighting conditions with different configurations, both of the settings and the microphone setups. As always, let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Be sure to leave a like, a comment, and of course subscribe. Catch you guys on the next one.